Hi, this is Samantha from recipethis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm showing you how easy it is to cook frozen spring rolls in the air fryer. They're one of my favourite dishes to do in the air fryer and perfect for when you're having Chinese takeout. And you can also use any different fillings as the same cook times apply. And we also have 450 plus more easy air fry recipes over at recipethis.com, as well as a fantastic air fryer mini course which is free, and our free air fryer newsletter. I recommend you check it out, and if you have any questions or comments you can reach out to us or just comment on this video. So duck spring rolls are one of my favourite things to air fry. We always get ourselves a box of them at Christmas and it's just lovely as something to have as a snack when you're having Chinese. The ones we get come from Iceland and you get 10 little ones in a pack. Obviously, unlike egg rolls, they are much smaller so they don't need long to cook at all. But they also do get a bit flaky in the packaging, so you don't want to be getting the air fryer all dirty. So I can just open them over here like this. I always remember having these as a kid at Tesco's. My mum would treat me to one and I would always microwave it, but I found in the microwave they went soggy and weren't crispy, but the air fryer is just fantastic for making them lovely and crispy. So as you can see, they're small, they don't take long. So let's get them on. So let's set the time and temp. Let's go with 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And then I'm going to go with 6 minutes. I know 6 minutes isn't a lot, but they don't take long. And the thing is, our air fryer's been on the go all day, so it's had a very long preheat on it. So I would rather do this and adjust the time than feel like they're overcooked. And we beat. And wow, don't these spring rolls look amazing? And the crisp on them is fantastic. They don't need any extra egg wash or any virgin olive oil spray or anything like that. They're just perfect. So they're ready for enjoying. So my spring rolls are ready and I can't wait to try them. These are so nice. They've got a lovely duck filling inside them that you could buy with any filling, and you know they're so much quicker to cook in the air fryer than egg rolls. And don't forget, you can always get some good ones at the deli counter. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.